I'm the biggest fruit that grows on a tree, as sweet and aromatic as it can be. I hang from trunks and branches high and low, in hot and humid climate I grow. I have a green skin that's spiked, thick and leathery. My sweet yellow pulp is crisp or rubbery. My seeds, when cooked and peeled, make a great meal. Cattle are fed with my peel. Get fiber, energy, nutrients from me. Unripe or ripe, I taste simply yummy. My chips, curries, desserts must be tried by you. I want to know my name from you. You're a jackfruit, aren't you?